Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, came up with a different scenario. So that is how to calculate percentage of sales week-wise, month-wise, year-wise by using ISINSCOPE function. How to do that we are going to see in today's video. So please watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding, more clarity in DAX. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step of what I have done here. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have taken to create this report under. Okay, so category and customer table, sales territory, dim date, fact, internet sales, geography, product, subcategory. So these are the tables I have taken from the Excel. Okay, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important. So we'll try to look at that is also. For that, go to the model tab. So click on here. So collapse these two, try to scroll down this one. So now you can see that already I have established the relationship. Okay, so if you place the mouse between any of them, so some kind of color highlighting, it means that based on this key column, okay, we have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. Okay, and same thing, like we can understand what kind of direction the filter propagation is flowing from. So for this two, so it means one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from dimension table to the fact table. Even you can enable the, both the direction also, but that is up to the requirement. Based on the requirement, we can go for the single direction or both the direction, but for our report we have enabled only for the single direction only. Okay, we'll try to talk more on this in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report. So now go to the report tab. So here we can see that so year, month, week. Okay, so year, month, week, three levels are there. So I'll try to take the drill up. So here, so if you look at here, year wise, what is the sales amount? In 2001, what is the sales? In 2002, what is the sales? 3 sales, 4 sales. Like that, year wise, we have the sales. Okay. So here, what I'm doing based on this function, ISINSCOPE function, I'm calculating the what is the percentage of 2001 sales in entire total sales. Okay. I'll try to take the snipping. So here, so this is the 2001 sales, 2002, 3, 4. So I'm calculating the percentage of sales with respect to 2000 compared to the overall sales. This is the total sales. Okay, with respect to the total sales, what is the 2001 year sales? 0.13%. So with respect to 2002, what is the total sales percentage? 0.75. And also for 2003 also 41%, in 2004 also 57%. And also based on this percentage symbol, so I'm just adding a symbol. So adding a symbol, and also we have make it as a color. So if the percentage less than 10 or 15, I'm making it as a red color. If it is greater than 15-20%, means blue color. So like that I have created the expression. So I'll try to show that is also. Okay, based on that it will work like this. Okay, this is the year level. When you drill down to further level, that is a month level. So in 2001 we have sales from July only, July, August, September, October, November, December. So each month we have sales 546 something, August, September, October month. But in 2000, what is the total sales? So each, so in July month, so what is the sales percentage? 14% with respect to the overall percentage. Okay, so 707 August month, what is the percentage of sales compared to the entire this one? 18%. So 14%. Like that we have created the percentage each month wise with respect to this year, and also same thing for 2002 also. Okay, so each month wise what is the percentage of sales contribution to the entire year. Okay, so like that I have created the report in 2003, 4 also. In 4 we have all sales up to July month only, so that is the reason we have only July also. Okay, see, even you can see that the symbol it's upside or downside based on the percentage, it's in up or down. For example, if it is below 15%, you can see that it's a downside and also color getting changed. But when it is more than 20%, something like, we can see different upside and also different color. Now you can see, right, different color. So this is the month level. I'll try to go for another level also, that is week level. Okay, so now we can see that month wise, year wise, month wise, week wise. So in July month, so what is the week 27% contribution compared to the July month? What is the July month sales? 546. Week 27 sales how much? 61.93. So what is the percentage of contribution for week 27 in July month? Okay, 11%. In 28, 17%. 29th week, 22 point percentage. 31st week, 7%. Based on this percentage, we can see that whether it is upside or downside, and also color getting changed. If the percentage less than 15 means it's a downside red color. This is also downside red color. If it is greater than 15% means it's upside, color is getting blue, right? Now you can see every week. So based on that, we can easily understand which month, which year is performing more well and good, and also in which month under the specific year it's doing well and good. And also in each month wise also we can see that week sales and percentage of sales. Based on that, we can take a clear understanding where it is getting more sales, where it is not getting more sales. So we can easily, by seeing the symbols also, easily you can understand, right? So even we can slice the data. This is the year slicer. Based on the slicing, so we can see only specific year data also. For example, we are looking for only in 2002. We can see, so which month and which week we want to see. Based on that, we can see and study the data and make a decision. See, 2004, 3, 2, 1, right? So we'll go for the different page. Here same thing, year and a month only. Already explained this one. So this is a different page here. So category and subcategory wise, how to calculate the percentage of sales. Okay, so this is, I'll try to take the up level. So this is the accessories categories, bikes categories, cloth categories. So under overall total sales, what is the percent of sales contribution? 22 point. Bikes percentage of contribution 68, and clothing contribution 8.9. Because this is not for female, that is the reason we'll see the symbol different and the color also different, right? We'll go for the subcategory wise. So under category, so how much percent of sales for each subcategory wise? Okay, 6%. So this one is 6%, this one is 8%. So but only helmets doing well, so that is the reason we got 32%. And also we can see that symbol is upside and color also changing. But the remaining subcategories, we have the red color downside symbols, because these subcategories under this category is not doing well. So that is the reason we got low percentage, very low. Now you can see, right? So likewise, I have created this report, and quickly I'll try to show what are the measures I have created for this. So you can see that weeks, I'll try to show week sales first. So I'll try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So first I'm checking whether it is in week scope or not. Based on that, I'm taking the divide function, divide by calculate total sales by week scope. So for this, I have created a separate measure for getting this week scope month scope, and also year scope. So these are the different measures. So I'll try to go to week scope. Where it is. Yeah, here. Yes, here it is. Week scope. So this is the different measure, week scope, and this is year scope and also month scope. So for getting this report, I have created different measures, and also for creating the symbols, colors also, symbol 1 2 3, because each page has based on some kind of percentage, whether it is upside or downside, and also based on some percentage I'm making it as a red color or a different color. So for that, each page I have taken as a different measure. That is the reason we can see that three measures, symbol 1 2 3, even colors also different. So based on different page I'm giving 0.2, one is so 0.15, 0.15. So it's up to the requirement, which percentage you want to see red color, how much percentage you want to see the different color, so we can take a decision. So I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So we'll see you in the next video and tomorrow's. Thanks so much for watching.